Imagine having a plumbing emergency like a burst pipe or a choked toilet. Or suffer a blackout in the middle of the night. Or get locked out of your house or room. Or even suffer from a pest infestation like rodents or termites. Eeks! And then paying exorbitant prices just for a service provider to come down. Hey, don't worry, we've got you covered. For as low as $1 per month, Diamond Electric's 24-hour emergency home assistance services include plumbing, electrical, locksmith, and pest control. We provide not one, but 2 emergency visits to solve your problem at no additional cost. Our EHA services are included free of charge with our qualifying electricity plans when you switch to Diamond Electric, or visit our e-store to purchase EHA if you have already switched to another electricity retailer but want EHA. For more information, visit our website at diamond-electric.com.sg or scan the QR code.